This light above the filter button will illuminate after 250 hours of use, so it's time to clean the filter. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn the power button off. Then on the back side of the dehumidifier, you're going to pull up on this tab and remove the filter itself. You can see there's a little bit of dust on this one, but it's not too bad. If you have your dehumidifier in a dusty environment, you probably want to check this a little more often than every 250 hours. Next, you can wash the filter in lukewarm soapy water, and then be sure to rinse the filter with clean water and dry it thoroughly before reinstalling it. I like to give it a good spray from both sides. And just be careful not to damage any of this filter material. It's a really fine metal mesh. You don't want any large holes in it. Gently pat it dry. And then let it air dry before you reinstall it. To reinstall it, you're going to index the top 3 tabs into place, and then gently push the filter until it clicks. Then just run your hand around the edge to make sure it's sitting flush. Next, press the power button, and then press the filter button. The light should go out, and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other maintenance videos, and we'll see you on the next one.